Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Today I'm going to unbox the Radxa Dragon Q6A, a single board computer with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6490. So it's a very small package. And it really is just a single board computer itself. So let's see if we can take it out of the plastic. Okay. Now I think this is just a sticker. Yeah. Okay, so what do we have? These are the antennas for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So beneath there we have the SoC and memory, and this is an M.2 slot 2230 for storage, and yeah, so these are GPIO. I think those four are for power over Ethernet. And we have the Ethernet port over here. And it looks like we only have one USB 3 port. I'm not really sure. But it only has one blue port. So that is a bit of a disappointment, if that is true. Headphone. This looks like a power button. HDMI. USB-C for power. And I think the rest of the interesting parts are on the bottom. So micro SD, you can put in a eMMC or UFS, and I think some camera and display connectors. I never really use those, so yeah. This usually looks like the power for a fan, but I'm not really sure. But we'll see. So yeah, that's all there is in the box. I'm going to try to put it in a, let's just say, generic Raspberry Pi case. I think this is actually one for the Raspberry Pi 3, I think. But because they did a cutout here, I think you can also do it for the Raspberry Pi 4. And you can flip this panel, because the Ethernet port is on the other side. So after the break, I hope it will be in the case. So here I have it in the case. Yeah, I think everything aligns. Micro SD. Not really sure if there is enough room to fit in eMMC or UFS, because I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's probably not that much height left. But I don't have any plans to use eMMC or UFS, so yeah, for me this case will do. And yeah, so now it's writing an image to the micro SD card, probably update the firmware, and let's see what I can do with this. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.